Hey, what's up, guys? This is John Christian Urich.
Randy Emata.
Jordan Spinella.
Kurt Slowden.
Welcome to the next episode of Crowd Favorites. Here we are in one of the places we love best, South Africa. The support for Tortured Soul has been tremendous here over the years, and it's become our second home. Our last 3 trips, we've been lucky enough to play at Untitled Basement, which is a unique live venue in the heart of Johannesburg. And, as you may have suspected, it also has a restaurant, a great menu, and a wonderful chef who has allowed us to invade the kitchen so she could show us how to make a couple of her crowd favorites. Like I said, we're playing here tonight, so this is like a 2-for-1. Beautiful moment. We're going up the stairs here, right around here. We're invading your kitchen. Asanda, thank you for having us here in your kitchen. I'm John Christian Urich. My pleasure. We're here to learn from you. Today we're doing chakalaka.
We're doing pop. We're doing mapunya.
Okay,
yes, and it means yes.
All right, let's get going. Let's do it. Ready?
Yeah.
Gotta wash the hands. Chakalaka.
Yeah, with red peppers,
Peppers,
carrots, onions, tomatoes, and you can have.
This is garlic. Looks like scallion.
Yes.
Is that parsley?
Coriander.
Oh, coriander.
Coriander and
Okay.
garlic.
Ooh, that's what I wanted. That's good. Got a little sick, guys. Paprika, and what else? And okay, cumin.
That's a good amount.
That's the paprika. Okay. Getting a little dry. Yeah, right. We're on super speed here. That's the cumin.
Cumin.
Garlic cumin.
Garlic powder.
Garlic powder. Shaved carrots.
Yeah. Carrots.
Yeah.
Peppers. Tomatoes. And now we're about to do our pop. So we add a little bit of salt until the hot it stays stuck.
Okay.
Whisk the water.
Yeah.
No, you can mix the water. Okay. So you can what?
This is the pop.
Cup and a half, maybe.
Can you what?
Now this is corn mixed.
Like maize meal.
What is it?
The maize meal.
Maize, yeah, corn.
That's amazing. Frankie Beverly and Maze.
Thanks, Randy. Thank you, Randy.
How many cooks can you fit in the kitchen? Oh yeah, that's the cook. That's the chef.
That looks like, that's a good, looks like a good portion.
Please open the cup for me. And salt.
And more salt? Yeah.
You can add the butter beans or baked beans.
Okay, cool.
Before we add the butter beans, before we add them, we need to taste.
Taste this.
Yeah.
What are you tasting for? How spicy it is? How salty?
Spiciness and the salt. Because you don't want to mess the butter
And
beans.
so you know that it's the right. So it should be slightly saltier than like after you add that.
Balance the saltiness.
We got taste.
And then the tasting spoon.
Tasting spoon. Sorry, we don't want to stress you out. We know it's stressful enough already. A little more salt again.
15 minutes. Do you have a timer?
Then you can smell when it's done.
Oh, really?
Yeah, then you can smell it. You can feel it when it's done.
Oh, wow.
Now, what's this bread called?
Bread? We're making bread?
Now I'm gonna make the fat cook.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the dough.
Okay.
Yeah.
How did you make that dough? How long did it sit there?
It's for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, that's
Yeah,
it?
for 5 minutes.
45 minutes.
Oh, 45
minutes.
Oh my god, that's what I was talking about earlier. That place I stayed at, they made it every morning. You don't understand.
Yeah.
I don't care how many hours of sleep I got. I still woke up for the fat cook. Oh my god! And it means, what does it mean? It's like cake, fat cake, right?
I'm a queen. Yeah.
I'm a queen. I'm a queen. I'm a queen.
Service.
You rise up to the service?
Yeah, rise up to the service. That way you know that you can tell that it's ready. So you just need to wait for the color.
Okay. What's the heat?
It's usually 180. The color, the more brown it is, the more convinced you are that it's actually cooked.
Yeah, what's this? And then you have lamb chops.
What kind of meat? Horse meat.
It's a beef, yes.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
I've had it in Kazakhstan, but never had it in here in South Africa.
No,
Yeah.
it's a
Cool.
beef roast and then it's lamb chops. Yeah, so it's gonna go with pap and chakalaka.
Okay. Wow. Right on.
It's horse, not horse. So now we know you eat horse.
Oh yeah, I did.
You're mean.
Go chef.
You better earn that apron.
This? Here?
Yeah.
Hand on meat.
Hand on meat.
Before.
Tongue on meat. Have I ever cooked?
You cook on fire like this before.
Barbecue, I guess.
Yeah. I guess that's great. It's similar to barbecue. Earlier I asked you about the origin of shakalaka. What does where did that start? Is it a traditional dish?
Yeah, it's a traditional dish. It's our South African traditional dish.
And it's always been there.
It's always been there. So that you can modernize it, maybe adding some green things, and depends on your choice.
What is on the meat? What's in the green oil?
It's coriander, it's parsley, garlic, and orange.
Whip it like this.
Anytime. So different.
So that seems kind of hotter than that.
I think that's fine. That's good. Medium well.
Where to? Are you excited? You've had this before?
I had it before, but this recipe is so legit, man. It just looks right.
Camera. It's on the keyboard. Yes, it is. No.
Charlie.
Oh, the heat. That's a whole heater up there.
looking good. I whisked the pap a little bit. I managed to get in there a little bit.
Barbecue sauce.
Oh, barbecue sauce. Okay.
You have to clear the meat. That's makunya. Fat cook.
Red cook.
Yeah.
Ah,
You can make it
looks
with
amazing.
cheese and mince.
Let's eat!
Maybe we should be showing how to eat this.
Good? All right. Ready? Ah, delicious. Yeah, that's great. Yummy.
Oh, I love this, John.
That's not the way to eat this. Mashoot. That's not the way to eat this.
So I say,
I'll show you the original way. This is the way. Wash your hands, remember? And then this is the way.
I'm an amateur. I'm eating with my hands. It's a start. Thank you, Chef. We appreciate you sharing your talents with us. Delicious. Thank you for taking the time out to do this. We love you. Thank you. Yay. Thanks, guys. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.